Right, so if you're like me and you're having problems either sending texts or receiving texts or even both, which is what I had trouble sending texts and receiving texts. If you're one of those people, this video might help you to resolve your issue. I looked on YouTube for this problem and I got loads of different ways of how to fix it and none of them worked. I had this problem from yesterday and I resolved it today. Yes, mine is fixed, yeah, baby. And I'm going to tell you in a second how I fixed it. Also going to give you a quick brief of what happened, first of all. Then I'm going to tell you how to fix it. And it is really easy to fix. So with that, I'll get on with it, shall I? So first things first, mine started yesterday and what happened was I have a two-stage verification on PayPal. So I'm logging in PayPal and it sends me a text to my phone and then I put in that unique number to help me to log in. Well, the problem was it was taking too long for that message to get through to me. I've tried several times and the quickest one was 11 minutes and you have a 10-minute slot. So it didn't work. I thought, that's 11 minutes. And tried it a few more times and the longest one was an hour and then after that it banned me. So I got locked out. So I had to contact PayPal to let me back in. And that was hard work because you have to go through all these different stages of verification. Obviously you got to phone them up and with COVID and all that, it's like forever. I mean, oh my God, and I was really getting annoyed with it. And they got me back in and, everything was sorted. And I thought, why? What's going on? So anyway, I'd done some research. I even phoned up my network provider and said, look, I've got this issue. So they tried several things and I said, it's all right, Aaron. It must be something wrong with your phone. Can you try another mobile? I thought, oh yeah, I've got a spare mobile. So I took the SIM card out, plugged it in there, and it worked perfectly. I thought, oh my God, I've got a brand new phone. It doesn't work. It's rubbish. So I said, all right, thank you very much for that, and sorry to trouble you, and blah blah blah. And then I went on to the OnePlus. I've got a OnePlus 8 Pro, so I went to the forums, and there's other people in there, same issue. I thought, oh no, I've got a dud. It gave me a dud. It's supposed to be a really good phone, and the software's rubbish. Doesn't matter how good the phone is, if the software's no good, it's rubbish. So I thought, oh no, what am I going to do now? So I've done some research, like you do, and I was getting a bit annoyed. And there's loads of different answers. I looked on YouTube, and there's loads of people done videos on it, but none of them worked for me. Don't matter what I've done. I thought, well, that's not working. I tried that. It's not. That's too complicated. Jesus, you want me to go through all that? It can take a lot further. And it was really frustrating. So anyway, I did read a bit about uninstalling a piece of software, and I thought, oh, that's a good idea. I can try it. It's easy enough. If it doesn't work, just put it back on. But I couldn't find this bit of software. I'm not going to tell you what it is just yet. Just give you a little teaser. So I couldn't find this bit of software. I thought, for God's sake. So anyway, I contacted one of my mates. Spoke to him on WhatsApp and told him my issue. He said, oh, you need to uninstall this bit of software. I said, yeah, I know. I said, I found it. I said, but I can't find it. I've looked everywhere. Oh, by the way, JP, thank you very much, mate, for watching the video. Thank you for that, JP. Yeah, JP, he's the one who found it, or told me how to find it. I said, I know about that, but I couldn't find it. He said, well, you need to go to the App Store. Oh, why didn't I think of that? And he told me how to go to the App Store. I thought, oh, that's so easy. So in this bit, yeah, I'm going to tell you now what to do. So if you found that boring, you should be alright. So like I said, if you're having this issue, you can't either send texts or you can't receive texts or both. I have both. This might be a simple fix for you. And I know I'm talking too much, but I wanted to give you a bit of a background story. So what he said is, let me read it out to you, the bit that I thought, yeah, I know about this bit. He's the man, he's the man. You need to uninstall the carrier services of the Google app. So you need to find that and uninstall it. And it's actually called Carrier Services by Google LLC. So you need to go and uninstall that. I thought, well, I can't find it on my phone. I told him that, yeah. He said, go to the App Store. And this is what he said. You go to the App Store. So you go to My Apps and Games. So you go to My App Store, or you go to the App Store and you go to My Apps and Games. Go to that section, and it will give you a list of all the software that you've installed from the App Store. Yeah, and one of them is called the Google LLC. I thought, right, and I found it. Uninstalled it. So you just uninstall it. You must do a restart after you've uninstalled it, and turn my phone back on, and hey presto, it bloody worked. Yeah, it was that simple. I'm going to give you a bit of text in case you don't understand what I'm saying, just to help you out, okay? So this is what I sent to a forum, which actually is the OnePlus forum, because there's a load of people on there with the same issue. So I sent them this, and this is what I actually wrote on there. So if there's any spelling mistakes, sorry. But I actually wrote this. And it said, because there's loads of people already complaining, oh, I can't fix it. And I'm thinking, it's got to be the phone, or it's got to be the software. It can't be the phone, it's got to be the software. And yeah, definitely works for me. Hopefully it will work for you. It might be you might have another problem, but you've got nothing to lose. Just uninstall that, Google LLC, and hey, presto, it worked. I am very pleased, well happy. It is back to normal. I can send a text instantly, receive a text almost instantly. Yeah, working fine, no problems whatsoever. So, like I said, thank you, JP, pointing me in the right direction. Didn't even think about looking on the App Store for my software that I've got on my phone. I'm going through my phone and I can't find this bloody thing. And there it is on the App Store. So, with that, if you found this video helpful, please subscribe. It does help the channel. It does help me to make, videos like this that help people out, and you can see I do help people out. I've sent that message to the OnePlus forums so everyone can read it and hopefully help them sort their problems out. So thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, give me the thumbs up. If you didn't, give me the thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Yeah, baby.